Well, here we are at Prestwick, Glasgow Prestwick on the west coast of Scotland. We're looking south down towards Ayr, and we're looking over the passenger apron and terminal at the moment. Today we're going to fly west 62 miles to Islay over Campbelltown and Machrihanish. We're flying in the PA-31 Navajo today, Her Majesty's Coast Guard livery. Let's go and have a look at our aircraft. Here's the Navajo, parked on the G ramp, ready, fueled for our short flight today. Let's have a look at some of our charts. This is the sky vector chart, and you can see Prestwick on the right, and we're going to be flying westbound over the south of Arran to Machrihanish, the Campbelltown airport, and then northwest to Islay. If we look at the Navigraph low en route chart, you can see it's a moving map. The triangle represents our aircraft on the ground, and this is more of an airspace and airway type of chart. Bit of cloud around today, but not below 2,000, so we'll be visual for the takeoff and approach phases with a bit of cloud as we climb up to our cruising altitude of 8,000 feet. As mentioned, Her Majesty's Coast Guard livery today. Special flight out to Islay. Let's climb aboard and shut the doors. We'll switch some lights on, ready for our engine start. We have full tanks today. Magnetos on. Seat belts and no smoking go on. And to start this aircraft, we have to prime the engines on full rich. Set our levers up, throttle half-inch open. Full rich, and a 3-second prime on each. And then we bring the mixture to lean. Check that we're all clear. And we'll start the right engine. There it goes. Move the mixture up. And now we'll do the same for the left engine. And that's our engine started now. Now we can bring our avionics online. Just get our trim set up. Pitch trim there at the back of the neutral zone, and the other two trims, roll and rudder, are neutral. Our flight plan today, we're going to put in the Campbell Airport, which is MAC. Machrihanish, and then our destination. These are the ICAO codes. there we have it. Prestwick, Machrihanish, and Islay. 62 miles, so we'll be cruising at 8,000 feet. Checking flappers up, trims are set, cowl flaps are open. Let's get some airflow. Let's hide these yokes for a sec. Put our weather radar on. Transponder code 2200 today, and we're now going to taxi out to runway 12. Let's have a look at that on the chart. The airport chart showing us sitting here on the G apron. We're just going to taxi out to the right slightly to join taxiway Romeo. Head northwest until we get to the holding point at Juliet. Then it's a right turn onto runway 12, heading 124, and a takeoff with a right turn to the south and then around to the west. Alright, so let's get on our way. The X-Plane Sim puts in some interesting smoke effects. They're not really smoke, it's sort of mist, I suppose, from the drizzly conditions. A little bit unrealistic, but that's what we've got. Brakes are off. Now taxiway. There's 1006. Here we come up to the holding point of runway 12. The signs here at the airport in the sim say runway 13 is a bit of a mistake, but it is actually runway 12. We'll see that on the identification on the runway. Let's put the parking brake on, and we're just going to do a run up here, a mag check, and propeller cycle. We'll set 1500 RPM, full reach. Just do a mag check. Expect the right to drop a little bit. There it goes. Same again. And now left side. Left needle dropping behind the right one there. Same again on the other magneto. Okay, and now we'll just cycle the props. Pull the levers back to feather. Hear the blades sort of protesting there. That cycles the oil through the hub. And back to idle. Alright, so we're all ready to go, and we're going to switch videos here, and I'll see you in the next episode.